Okay guys, here's our light project overview. All these instructions are written, but I wanted to give you a quick verbal video in case that would help you as well. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to design and make a working light by correctly designing the components and wiring a combination circuit. You can see here that this light that I've had in the room all year long is what we are going to make. You are going to design your own light. You'll form groups when you return to school, but as of now, you're going to be working 100% on your own. All right. If we don't return to school, we might be able to have you guys cut these out and print them out with 3D printers and stuff like that after school is over, like maybe over the summer or possibly at the beginning of next year, if that's possible. But hopefully we'll come back and we'll get them printed out when you guys return. Each student will design their own light using VCarve. So remember that VCarve is the Shopbot, and so you're going to cut this plastic part out of VCarve. So you're going to design what you want that to look like. It can say a name, it can have a picture, it's all kinds of examples that you'll be able to find. I'll show you a couple in a little bit. And then the acrylic pieces that you're going to be given will be 6 inches by 6 inches. So you're going to have 6 inches by 6 inches to work with. Again, you can cut it out to make it any size. You're going to want a little tab at the bottom there to set into your base, and you'll see that more later as well. Then each student will design your own base, which will be 3D printed. We're going to use Tinkercad. You'll see on your design brief, Tinkercad is probably the easiest. If you're really good with Inventor or something else that you know you can access on your computer, you can use those as well. But Tinkercad will allow you to design the base, and then we will print it out using the 3D printers. And then you're going to have a battery pack, wiring, a switch, a resistor, and 3 lights. So there's 3 lights that sit down here in the bottom. The battery and the switch will turn them on, and then it lights up the sign. So it's similar to our other project, but we're adding the 3D printing part, and we're going to be using the Shopbot again. I'm trying to think what else. You can read through the rest of these. Each group will wire the LED lights in a parallel circuit, and the series circuit will be with the battery pack. Then each group will be allowed to bring their own base and sign home. Hopefully we'll be able to print them, and then we'll figure out which person in your group will actually be able to print it out, similar to what we did with the skateboards. Here's 2 more examples. So as Dr. Veltman's son made this drawing, and then he took that drawing, took a picture of it, imported it into VCarve, and was able to carve it out onto his sign. This is a design that Dr. Veltman found online. And so again, just like we did with our other projects, if you find a picture that you like, you can import it into VCarve. There's instructions on how to do that. And then you can cut it out of the acrylic. This base is a store-bought base, but you will be designing your own base with room for the wires and for the batteries and for the lights down below, so it will light up the sign. So there's your overview, guys. Remember, reach out with any questions or anything you need.